Meet the Bosch 800 series, your new kitchen barista. Sleek stainless steel design fits modern kitchens and small offices. Reason 1. Unmatched variety with over 35 beverages available. Americano, ristretto, latte macchiato, endless recipes in one machine. Use the Home Connect app to browse and brew remotely. Customize, save favorites, and recall perfect cups instantly. Anytime. Reason 2. Barista quality extraction with Aroma Max. System precision. Integrated ceramic burr grinder for low heat, consistent, precise grinds. Optimized flow rate and temperature deliver richer, balanced espresso shots. 3 aroma settings plus 4 strength levels. Tailor every cup. Reason 3. Effortless milk drinks with integrated milk. Container. Milk. Express. Comfort, froths. Creamy latte macchiatos at touch. D. Attachable milk carafe is fridge safe, easy to remove and clean. Double spouts brew 2 cups simultaneously for busy mornings. Bonus, coffee pot. Function makes whole pot, brewing simple. Convenience, 81-ounce water tank, reduces refills for heavy use. Guided Calc and Clean program simplifies descaling and combined cleaning. Reminders and automatic alerts keep maintenance stress-free and quick. User-friendly 5-inch active. Select touchscreen makes selection effortless. Intuitive interface plus programmable favorites speed up morning routines. Smart features let you program recipes from anywhere, anytime. Perfect for homes, small offices, and boutique cafe setups. Compact footprint saves counter space without sacrificing performance. High-capacity hopper and precise dosing serve consistent results, cup after cup. Flavor-first grinder with 6 settings handles every roast and style. Cold brew and iced recipes expand your drink repertoire easily. Adjust milk ratio, cup size, temperature, and aroma effortlessly. Save multiple user profiles for household members' perfect routines. Low maintenance equals more coffee, less downtime, happier mornings. Cleaning tablets, filter, cloth, and adapter included in the box. Setup guide and water hardness strip simplify first-time calibration. Professional extraction in minutes. No barista training required. Sound design and illumination. Add cafe's level ambiance to your counter. Adjustable spout clears room for tall glasses and travel mugs. Energy-saving mode and programmable shutoff conserve power overnight. Durable stainless steel finish resists wear and looks premium. Why buy? Variety, precision extraction, and effortless milk convenience. Those 3 reasons transform at-home coffee into a ritual. Practical benefits meet smart connectivity for everyday elevated coffee. Ready to upgrade your mornings with consistent cafe-quality drinks? Download Home Connect, pair your machine, and explore presets now. Tap a favorite, customize, and brew. It's that simple. Want a live demo? Visit a showroom or retailer nearby? Prefer online shopping? Click buy, schedule delivery, unbox joy. Follow for honest reviews, recipes, and daily coffee inspiration. If you want a fully automatic espresso machine that keeps things simple, the Philips 5500 series is worth a look. I've put the buying link in the description.